Good evening all. Late evening. Good late evening all. It's just after 10 p.m. I got my local owl outside my window. It's gone now. It was outside my window. Female, I think. Oh, it's female, isn't it? A twit, twit, twit is a male. Ooh, trying to woo me. Sorry, love. You're the wrong species. I'm the wrong species. Yeah, it's nice to be. It's nice to live close to wildlife. It's not a concrete jungle around here. It's very semi-rural. It's semi-rural around here. Yeah. The other day, I heard, they're all at it. All this wooing is wooing. Sex, bird sex. The other day, lesser spotted woodpecker was hammering his head against a telegraph pole. What a noise! Da 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 da. That's attracting a mate too. They're all at it here. All the birds got sex on their brain here. Yeah, and you'd see them all flying about with bits of twigs in there. That's how they attract a mate as well. All the males go flying about with bits of twigs in their mouth, or bits of or whatever. And they're standing there with their beaks full of twigs, looking around. Anybody fancy building a nest with me? Male birds. Or it could be female, I don't know. I didn't check. Oh, I don't know. Spring. Spring? I got absolutely drenched again today. Oh, my friend's, his name's Hugh as well, from Tumble. He was out in it today, and his wipers packed up. Can you imagine that, trying to drive in the rain when your wipers are just packed up? So he was just phoning me up. He wanted some advice on wiring on wiper motors. Like he's got a Vauxhall Frontier or something like that. So he's going to fit the motor from that into his van, big duff van. Duff, not daft. Duff Leland van. Because he's got jobs on. His friend found him a motor, but it's in Cardiff. So, and I said, just take the motor off the Frontier and fiddle about, and as long as the mechanical connection works all right, and you can sort out the wiring if the plug is different. But I told him these motors are fitted to many vehicles, so the plug will, there might be a solenoid inside it, so you need the ground return black wire, main power wire, and then the wire from your wiper switch, on-off wiper switch. And he's going on about what about the intermittent? And bugger that. The main thing is to get some wipers. On-off is good enough for the time being. And then you can sort out the intermittent. Ding-dong, 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 another day. Am I making any sense here? Have I lost you yet? Right, all the best all. It's just after 10.